Guys, we're here for our first ever Nerf War. Okay, don't shoot me. This is my cousin Lucy. This is my cousin Jake. My neighbour Albie. My neighbour Brody.
I've got a tank gun.
Yeah, he does. I taught him that.
And I get it too.
Now, I'm the cameraman.
No, you haven't. You got it.
You got this, quick kill. I'm a cameraman. And
Oh
my brother's also here, but he won't be participating because he's playing Roblox. Screw Roblox. Let's do this thing. Now, I'm cameraman. I will be following you guys around. You got that clear?
What? Got this one really good.
Guys, you got it. I'll be following you.
Everyone, when I shoot the rope, that means evacuate down there high in this room. Do not leave the room. And when I do this, that means evacuate the room.
Okay.
Like right now and get ready.
Okay.
And when someone goes to the toilet, we quickly get down as well.
What about shooting people?
The shooting begins later. I'm going to the toilet. I'm going to the toilet. No, only one goes.
Hello, Brady, the oldest female in the gang.
Yeah.
What is your position in the gang?
I am basically the first shooter. I shoot out the warning bullet to let them know that we're...
Guys, go.
I'm going to my own room.
So you are the first person?
Yeah, I'll basically send out the warning shot to let the adults know that we're there.
Okay.
And I'm also the second boss, basically. So if our boss leaves, I would be the boss then.
Also, you are the oldest person actually shooting. How do you feel about that?
I feel pretty confident, even though I should be the leader.
Yeah, that's what I thought, because you're technically oldest.
Yeah, my annoying brother isn't that skilled.
Well, thank you for your time for the interview, and well, you better get back to war. Go.
Hello, I'm Alvin Gregory Jackson, and this is my tank gun. I've been working for this thing for about like 5 minutes.
Okay, and how do you feel being the leader?
I feel great because I get my crew ready. We shoot parents and stuff. It's really interesting, actually. So, got any questions?
Yes. Do you think you should be in charge, or do you think the oldest one should be?
I think I should be in charge because, like, I'm gonna go in the Army Reserve, and I know a lot of things that, like, I know commander role. I know, like.
And you're the oldest? No, you're the second oldest, right?
No, I'm actually one of the youngest here.
Really?
But
Thank you for your time.
okay.
Jake, what do you do for the team?
I do how should I explain this? I make the team worthful.
Nice. And do you think you should be a leader, or who do you think should be a leader?
I think I should be leader
And why do you think that?
because I'm really good at it.
Okay, and you're my cousin, right?
Yeah.
Well, if you had to choose any gun, what would it be though?
The best gun and the most farthest gun, of course.
Which one is it though?
Oh, this one.
Yes? Well, Jake,
Yeah.
what is your favourite part about the team?
When they win.
Nice.
When
Well,
you
thank
look
you
at
for
me in the
your time.
middle.
Lucy, you're the youngest member of the team, right?
No.
Aren't you? I thought you were the youngest.
No.
Who is the youngest?
I am.
Okay. And what do you like about the team?
That they shoot when they're not meant to, and they don't really shoot people because they'll get hurt.
Would you ever want to be in the army one day?
No.
How do you feel about there being equal number of females and males in the team?
Really good.
That's good. Well, Lucy, thank you for your time for your interview. And make sure to have fun and shoot some people.
You're welcome.
Okay, guys, so thank you all for the time in the interview,
Okay, hello, I'm going.
No. Okay, so when you...
Gang called. We need to vote on that.
Okay, they're going to think about a gang name.
How about the
Princesses!
The snipers. Yeah. Who voted for the snipers? Sniper squad. Sniper squad.
Okay, guys. The team's called Sniper Squad. Okay, so the team is now called Sniper Squad. Guys, are we going to get these parents? Oh, all they've done to us is discipline us. What have we done wrong? Nothing!
What do we want?
I have to shoot parents.
Wait,
Let's go. Let's go. We don't want to be dead. We want to live. Boom.
What do we want? To not die. We don't want to die. What do we want?
Guys, let's go kill these parents. Let's go kill these parents.
Let's go.
Take the shots ready.
Get the snipers. Snipers on fast.
Oh.
I'm a good sniper. I'm a good sniper. No, don't shoot. Come here. Guys, 2 places. Positions.
I'm going to record
Shoot one.
This is Jake Cam. This is his sister, Lucy Cam.
When I shot out the warning shot, we all get
Albie
back
Cam.
in the base.
And Bridie Cam.
Back in the base.
Bridie Cam. Okay. Also, guys, if you want to see part 2 of the Nerf War, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe and comment. Sorry, I had to get that in there. Okay. Guys, come on, shots.
Shoot the warning shot, I said. Get back in the base. Get back in the base.
I'm the cameraman.
Get back in the base.
One of the future victims will be speaking. How would you like kids to be shooting at you?
And how would you like a black eye?
Okay, Mum, how would you like kids to be shooting at you?
Like your little cousin.
No.
She wouldn't like him. Okay, kids, shoot him. Thank you for your time. To the camera, talking to the camera. Go.
Jake should not be on our team because he keeps.
The adults know you're spying on them.
Yeah, we know.
Let's shoot him.
Yeah, and George is coming. Big George. Big.
Oh no, guys! Parents! This is not what we're meant to be doing. Everyone, hide!
You're ridiculous. What are you talking?
Also, as you can see, one of the males who we interviewed is a bit of a bully, threatening to give me a black eye. Get back! Rip headphones. Guys, we don't have long left. We've got 5 minutes to shoot these parents.
Get your snipers!
Hey, I'm cameraman. I haven't done anything wrong. Guys, come on. We can't have a dispute now.
An adorable little girl walking out, tapping the adults missing. Yeah, you can be the distraction. Go walk out. Go walk out and fine, I will.
I will be the distraction. No, Jake's doing it. Jake's being distracted. Go!
To the backyard.
Okay.
She's doing nothing. Come on, Albie. We're doing it properly. Everyone, backyard.
Let's go.
Backyard.
I don't like where this is heading. I don't think we're going to get anything done. Am I right? Guys, are we going to shoot him?
How far can this get?
It's got some distance. Guys, now we're outside. Who's gonna take the first shot? Guy!
No, I'm not taking the first shot.
Who's gonna take the first shot? Shoot! Shoot them.
I use this one. Use that.
Albie, who do you think should be leader? Remember, you can't vote for yourself.
I think I should be leader.
But besides yourself.
Bridie.
Okay. Bridie, who do you think should be leader? Remember, you cannot vote for yourself.
I don't know. I think Jake has a good chance.
Thank you. Jake, who do you think should be leader? Remember, you cannot vote for yourself. Go.
I think maybe the leader who is the leader is going to be the best. Albie is going to be the most successful leader.
Well, thank you for
yet.